Hello friends, welcome to DP Studio. Today I'll show you my new microphone Stagg Sdm70 microphone unboxing. Let's start it. This is Stagg microphone and model number Sdm70. This is for drums and guitar amp and this is with a hard case. Let's see. Now I am talking with my Stagg Sdm70 microphone. It has very nice low and high frequency response. It is a clone of Shure Sm57 microphone. I am recording with my Scarlett Focusrite 2i2 microphone and its gain level 3 pm. Now I am recording with my acoustic guitar. Let's see. I think this microphone is very nice and very professional sounding microphone. You can definitely buy it and use it. I think you like it. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and obviously subscribe for new updates. Thank you.